Menteri Rangba Sorkar Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Haka arbohnya terik urisau arajar arpar rengkat batu menteri badipek ya ketenat penroisor rengkat ru batu chief secretary kejelau ba DP walang kilelet ban jurip ya kiceka Sorkar kibadan hamau kesiang bat hamau pedang. Kade kejeng let jurip jong menteri Rangba rengkat bat kekenhun ya kiceka jong Sorkar da kejeng Thmu babaro ke office Sorkar kum ke Secretariat on rakno sya new Shillong lane sya mau pedang. Namar kene kan penkelut ya ke Sor Shillong. Kajaka ban rakno ya ke office rekam ba hedu jong kejela kenlong haki ar teli kijaka bat ban le ya kata on hak ban Iakren Sani bah. Henry menteri Rangba ya tu ba kejaka kalong ba biang bah bat kejeng he jong karu kalong hadu kum ba ars pa akar. Na kaliang jong menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma uko ba Secretariat kandon han new Shillong bat kanlong kejeng kerku ke bakrau ya kipej ba kejela kamtam kijaka ba kam jengai na kasor kinsuk hakalet kawan. Nak bentaban penkenria ia ke Secretariat Shan New Shillong Menteri Rangba aul ong bayak ne kamat unra sya kabinet banintai Sani bah.
We have come here to visit in this Maujanjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us, and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we're in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area. And we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.